Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. I'm going to do a ribbon pour today. So let's get started. I'm going to start with putting a layer on the canvas. This is basically white and gold to make this creamy color. The paint is just paint and Floetrol, Artist Loft paint for this white and gold, and no silicone in this version of it. This is just to cover the canvas and the sides. So let's get the sides covered. Basically, I want to get paint on the canvas in case I don't want to tilt it all the way to the end. We have some paint, some background. Okay, so I think this is good. If I see some bare canvas at the end, I can also put some more in there. So let's start with our cup. I'm going to start with this. This was a previous cup I just did. I don't mind that there's a tiny bit still left in there. So let's start with this off-white. This one does have silicone in it. Okay. And then we have the blue. Okay. And we have the orange. Oh, I don't have a lot of paint. And then we have the brown. You know what I'm going to put in here? Some gold. Since I don't have a lot of paint, I'm going to put some gold in there. Gold. The gold does not have any Floetrol in it. I'm sorry, not Floetrol. Silicone in it. Put the rest of my blue. Okay. Yeah, maybe I'll put a tiny bit more of the white in there. Okay, I've got brown. Is my orange all gone? I think my orange is all gone. Let's see if I can scrape some orange out. Okay, so let's start the pour. This is what my cup looks like. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do kind of like a swirly thing. Let's try. Do one here. I'll do one over here too. Where's my blue? My blue is all the way at the bottom. I'll do one right here. Do one in the center here. This one does not have much blue in it. Okay, so I think the canvas could use more paint, so let me finish off my paints. Put them in the cup. So this is the end of my blue. Okay. I have a lot of brown left over. I didn't use much of the brown, so put a little bit of brown. Okay. And I've got some of this light color. Oh, and I've got plenty of gold. But I think I already have plenty of gold on the canvas. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Ooh, I see a lot of blue coming through. Oh, that's a lot of brown. So let's try some heat, see what we can get with some heat. Okay, well, let's do some tilting. There's a lot going on in here. Let's do some tilting. And let's tilt this way first. Maybe get rid of some of this brown. I probably don't even have to tilt. Okay, so I need to get some more cells. Let's straighten this out a little. Okay. Interesting. Let's get a closer look. So we got the right hand corner. Very interesting. I like the right hand corner right there. I like whatever that is. It looks cool. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Please comment and let me know what color combinations you'd like to see me do, and what you think of this new paint. Today's the first time not the first time, second time I am using this paint. Apple Barrel is the brand, and I'm using the Caribbean. It's the only Apple Barrel brand paint I'm using right now. It was on sale and I bought some. Okay, thanks for watching.